Section 1.5, Linear Equations. We'll first look at linear equations in one variable. And this is a first degree, so linear polynomial, with only one variable present in the equation. There are two forms that this can be written as. The general form is ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers. An example would be 3x plus 3 equals 0. The standard form is ax equals b. So if we were to rewrite 3x plus 3 equals 0 in standard form, it would look like 3x equals negative 3. With linear equations in one variable, we can solve for what that variable value can be. For solving, there are four possible types of solutions we'll get. We could have a single solution. We could have multiple solutions. We can have all real numbers as a solution, which is an identity problem, or no solution, which is a contradiction. And we'll look at all possible versions of these solutions in the following example. In example 1, we have negative 3 times 2t minus 4 equals 7 times 1 minus t. Let's distribute the negative 3. We get negative 6t plus 12 equals 7 minus 7t. Go ahead and add 6t to both sides. We get 12 equals 7 minus t. Subtract 7 from both sides. We get 5 equals negative t, or t equals negative 5 when we divide by 1. So we have a single solution. For our next one, we have 4s minus 3 over 2 plus 7 fourths equals 8s plus 1 over 4. Pause if you want to, or continue watching. The first thing we want to do is get rid of that denominator. So we will distribute a multiplied by 4 to both sides. We're left with 2 times 4s minus 3 plus 7 equals 8s plus 1. Distribute your 2, you have 8s minus 6 plus 7 equals 8s plus 1. If we subtract 8s from both sides, we are left with negative 6 plus 7 equals 1. 1 equals 1, which is always true. This is an identity problem. Therefore, s can be any real number. Next, we have 0.08p plus 0.09 equals 0.65. Subtract 0.09 from both sides. We then have 0.08p equals 0.56. Divide by 0.08 and we have p equals 7. Lastly, we have 4z minus 3 over 2 plus 3/8 equals 8z plus 3. Again, we want to get rid of this denominator. So 8 is our highest, which means we'll multiply both sides by 8. We're left with 4 times 4z minus 3 plus 3 equals 2 times 8z plus 3. 16z minus 12 plus 3 equals 16z plus 6. Subtract 16z from both sides. We have negative 12 plus 3 equals 6, which gives us negative 9 equals 6. This is not true. This solution is a contradiction. So there is no solution. Now that you've gone through those examples, try these practice problems on your own. Solutions will be at the end of the video. Also, make sure to write these in your notes. There's a spot for them, and we'll go over those in class as well. If you're ready to try absolute value equations, go to the next video.